the ancient earth you watered every field before it grew. Mist was rising from the ground like the world exhaled for you. In the east you shaped a garden where the rivers found their way. Golden onyx in the soil, life beginning to awake. You formed a home from holy ground where heaven's breath and earth are bound. A place where love and labor meet, where dust and glory learn to speak. The making of humanity, you knelt beside the silent soil, hands in clay with tender care. From the dust you shaped a body, gave it breath from your own air. Eyes were open to the garden, to the trees of life and choice. Called to keep the sacred order, called to listen for your voice. Companionship, not alone in all creation, should the one you formed remain. So you brought the beast before him, every creature, every name. Yet no helper stood beside him, none to share the gift of day. So you drew him into slumber, took a rib and shaped a way. Bone of my bones, from his side you built another. Flesh of flesh and bone of bone. When he woke and saw her standing, he knew he was not alone. Two made one in holy union, joined in purpose, joined in trust. Naked, unashamed, and walking in the garden made for us. You formed a world where love could grow, where hearts could learn the way to go. From breath to bond, from earth to flame, creation sings.